Sneeze again. Excuse me, guys.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's one of the special collections.
Oh my god. Whoa. Excuse me, guys.
The back. So that's what they are like, and they were £15 from. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Anyway.
Oh, excuse me. Goodness.
Coral, like I said.
I love feathery earrings. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I don't know how to edit, otherwise I'd edit that out.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
Gonna use a waterproof liner.
Getting really like sneezy. And crap, my bed's at me because I woke up. Oh my god.
Oh god, let me sneeze. Excuse me.
Sorry. You can never be too clean. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay.
Sugar rimmed, which you guys know I already had. Whoa, excuse me.
I'm gonna sneeze. Okay.
Actually, it's definitely more wearable. Sorry, that was kind of random. I'm going to use a color called Vanilla by MAC. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Also, I had to get it. Alright, all done. If you're into powder stuff, this would be good for you. I'll show you it. Hold on.
I might sneeze.
Looks like this. That's you. And it's gold.
Yeah, so I'm like trying to have fun. Watch me.
Oh, excuse me.
Viva la juicy. Oh, sorry. I'm okay.